The start and the end point of the main contour on a piece are always connected with hinges. To check the connection, you can use Modify, Element Shape, Point, and you can try to move the points, and as you can see, they only move together. You cannot open the contour. With the function Modify, Element General Cut, you can cut the connection of the hinges. Move your cursor to the point and cut the connection with the left click. With Element Shape Point, you can move the point separately and you can open the contour. Lines of a main contour with a seam allowance cannot be cut. Use the function Hide Seam in the main menu at first. After that, you can go on like I described before. Move your cursor to the point you want to cut and cut the point with the left click.